So Bhagavatam is Leela Granth. Tattva and Leela. So that's why he's saying the main what is the main practice of bhakti? The main practice of bhakti is to meditate on Krishna's Leela. Braja, Krita, Dhyan, and Gun. Gun means to sing. Leela Kirtan, Guna Kirtan, Rupa Kirtan, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. So many songs are there. I say Sri Bhagavan Ko Bhagav Parambara Pranam Drupadi Kudi, you know this. So, and Mirabai songs, and so many songs in Hindi and Telugu and all kinds of languages, and Alwars, so many Kavi and Gun about Bhagavan Leela. This is main thing. He's not saying Shravanam. He's not saying Kirtan. He's not saying, oh, Solar Mala Egdin. Main bhakti is Leela. Because Leela is the sadhana and Leela is the... What is the sadhya? You know what sadhya means? The goal. Param Gati. Where are we going? Where are you going, sir? License. Let me see your license. You know where you're going? Yeah, I'm going home. But do you know where your home is? Well, probably. Home is in the Paravyom. Home is in Paravyom. Not home, Paravyom. Home, Paravyom. So this is that. So the goal is Leela. So we get to Leela by never thinking of Leela. The whole goal of bhakti is to, Goloka Vrindavan Pravesh. And Goloka Vrindavan is Leela Bhumi. They have a big sign, you come to Vrindavan. Welcome to Vrindavan, Krishna Leela Bhumi. Krishna Janama Bhumi, Krishna Leela Bhumi. This is Leela Bhumi. Vrindavan is Leela Bhumi. It doesn't say Japa Bhumi. Japa Bhumi, Murti Puja Bhumi. It says Leela Bhumi. Everyone gets it. 27 Thakurs, this one, that one, and all kinds. This kind and that kind, and this kind. All kinds of Thakurjis. And the whole, your arm falls off by the time Artik's over. 3 times to the feet. And